Welcome to Folklorista's Corner, the ultimate place where folkloristas can grow confidence, become better dancers, and where we talk about everything folklorico. I'm your host, Carmen Flores, and today we're talking about Técnica RaZa. In the description box down below, I'm going to link some articles about the technique itself. Further discusses Técnica RaZa because I'm not really going to cover the whole origin and behind that, so I'm just going to link that below. This is going to be a quick tutorial for one of the exercises. There are many exercises of different difficulty levels. This is beginner friendly, and it's, I think, one of the good ones to start off with. Alright, so we always want our fist to always land on our waist. We want to have a nice form to ourselves. We are dancers. We need to look graceful and elegant. Alright, we're going to have strong fists. We're going to have good posture, tucking in that core, back straight, chin up. The first step is an alternating single. All you do is stomp flat on the ground. Do this for 8 counts. The second step is an alternating double. All you do is stomp twice on the same foot, then repeat on the other foot. Do this for 8 counts. The third step combines the single and the double and has a back lift or apoyo to it, and that's what makes our triple. So if we're going to start off with our right foot, we're going to start off with a double. So we go double, double, single lift, and you're lifting the other leg on the other side, so you're not going to be lifting the same leg on that single. So again, we go double, double, single lift. The fourth step, you could call them toe stomps, or you could use punta golpe. So you're basically going to start off with your toe in the back, and you're going to stomp at that place, and you're traveling backwards for a count of 7. Then you finish the step off by doing a carretilla forward and finishing off with a remate. So this is a demo of what we should have so far. So 8 counts of singles, 8 counts of doubles, 8 counts of triples, 7 counts of toe stomps with the carretilla, ending with the remate. The challenging step of this technique would be the turns itself. You can modify it and simplify it and not do the arms yet, but take it baby steps. So the whole purpose is to do a complete turn, and once you turn to your spots. So our spots are 4. So we're facing the front, the right, the back, the left. You could cut it in half and not do a complete turn. You could just do the turn to whatever side you're moving to. So if you're facing the front, you could just turn to the right and then turn to the back and then turn to the left until you make a complete circle. But the end result would be a complete circle each time. Basically, you're going to step out with one leg, and with that leg that we step out to the side, we also step back with that leg, and then we turn. Our next step is our heel toes with a remate. So we're going to the side, we're doing a semicircle while we do this. So we start with our heel and then toe. So heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, remate. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 2 3 4 5 6 7